L&D teams and the learners they support are suffering from a case of content overload. There's just too much content to work through. And L&D teams often struggle with a number of digital assets at their disposal. What's your take on this, Marcus?
Well, not only the silver bullet approach around L&D's content libraries is causing the issues here. Having so much content that surely there'll be something in it for everyone, but also ever-growing knowledge hubs, for example, around R&D. And not only are they growing, but they're increasingly impossible to manage and keep up to date, particularly when it comes to organizing and tagging. So never has someone 2 years down the line said, oh, we tagged that exactly the way we needed it tagged today. And completely separate to this organizing and managing the content, further challenges are around searching the content in the moment of need, in the flow of work. The employees are struggling to find what they require at that point in time, and the needle in the haystack springs to mind.
I think it seems clear to me that you've highlighted this and that there is a challenge here with digital content and just how much there is. And look, I've seen in your recent thought leadership pieces that you share how AI can help solve this challenge. Could you explain how AI can help leadership L&D teams move on from that traditional process of tagging and organizing content by hand?
So the key here are so-called contextualization engines powered by AI. You can give them the content, all the PDFs, reports, videos, slide decks, even 360 video and AR. And the AI will contextualize the whole lot in seconds or minutes, and it maps out what topics are being covered and to what depth. And you can let the AI map it generally, or you can map it into a framework of your choosing, or you can do both because it only takes minutes or seconds without any human tagging, fully automatically. And so the best thing is the content is then searchable contextually via the AI, which means we're talking about intelligent searches, not just word searches. Imagine this. You have 500 hours of videos of medicine lectures, and you're keen to hear something on, say, diabetes and its side effects for a specific medication in COVID patients. With a word search, you'd be completely buggered. You'd find lots of diabetes, lots of COVID, lots of side effects, but you wouldn't find what you're actually looking for here. However, with the intelligent search engines and the contextualization, the AI will say, look, Marcus, in video 273, 46 minutes in, that's where the speaker will speak about this. And he'll speak about this for about 8.5 minutes. So all you need to do now is follow the link. No tagging, no sorting, intelligently searchable content following the contextualization through AI.